ye me bonechi oba has menje sure coaches our form nsem omunuru be for
and cry disadvantage because every time you are changing coaches. We bar the constant change of coaches cannot help players
because recent years has the last 3 seasons coaches aba has nyago into a player now te has this year coaches in the doso
exactly ain't there are players be clearly
did your mama no kwan na onye bibi nto no nja honko I think say mama na
teacher the time honestly
coaches palm the doso kakaria ye can ask me obekwa kwa na we ba na waye ni say coach we ba koye we coach we ba
dey possible ni say unya ball and dribble obia when instructions or the mesa development na ya o break akra but onu asusu na mumu no because or talent no there are players bi wo ho broni bia ba krom ho a obefa what I say but enye ne fa nko fo wi a aka how you develop as a player.
Okay.
The control need no question say if I will say Lami Yamal and when the years are there.
We don't Lami at the former day but we did not so proud your fish
control ball if you throw direct dribble
and easy. O more border until can be on one. What border about say easy technique.
Oh no, but honestly, say
board was thrown out the ball, no, the 10-year contract and easy. Few players, maybe.
Sure.
Is it done money to me?
When you sit down,
you see 5 players, no.
Yeah, because
I wasn't happy about it.
So
the intention is say, say to defend the snake beam and now all my pass.
Yeah.
But say goalkeeper or a left-footed, can we be a passing ball to you? That was the right one, but. And say I'm from so nearby.
I think say na omu nyina concentration enye.
Exactly.
Between the goalkeeper and Nemema Kamara subim. And okohwiri ko fabo chese e hadwen. Kamara ko South Africa. I say papa ba ko ba. I know your friend Aziz. Mama Sabo ni bim. We dey enwa dey.
We ansu ongo no.
And you wait the Heart of Lions first goal.
Mama Heart of Lions goal.
Incidents in the beba. Heart of Lion face.
Mama Heart of Lions going
no any we ne lead to a year go no.
But GH1 ye more mabaso. I think say picture qualities no enya grokra cameras are omu yusu editwa once emu bie kama.
Yeah, kama.
One say oh hwe ball na one say no.
I think say
omu bie omu cameras ni bie ema ohu picture no.
Yeah.
Ti baby abon won say to da bia na cameras ni di ball na chi nti unya pitch no nti GH1 for producer technicians no and producers no
production
production team ni okay go on in your
Lions born our kind
Kamara and Kamara pa
na we say or no so a goalkeeper
on your first choice.
It doesn't matter. So yeah, they go befano. So yeah, they obet me able to Kamara. Say Kamara.
But I feel say mistakes in kitchen doors so Kotoko. Africa there one mistake you film because you 2 games pay. That is 2 games so. Africa you just too much spend our ball. Enti uye mistake will be film. Ebesisa when intia no mama because I don't know one fan in Sakura ball so I'm fan P.
Boy, too elementary power. The way we want to see the standard, no.
But Bayandia or United for £35,000. Bayandia, Sana no need say, Anna.
Say, what I say. I mean,
that was on your
well, so far, need say top 4 no. Kotoko for the question say, pa na. The signals are no good. On say me problem is say nanu akotoko ko share Kaizachi ma men kanisa e buy no. On say energy bi ba kotoko mu say afedie ahokeka no
na eneme ko ye pa.
Inti our
na Kamara when mom.
Exactly. On say automatically kotoko be nya do na man for attention start say eba. So I was expecting the top 4 to also come with a lot of positive. Senior beya anke kotoko Africa no enye ball ne bonko a obenya dom ama kotoko nyeska People are to the beach, yes, but say games he said see air quay. Why when you are now man for quite skeptical about the Africa?
Just some of the house at your mona.
And no dear. So much has a dear a paper will born in
but my be almost one match up
because you cannot imagine saying Kotoko top 4 3 games now Kotoko 0 points. I mean, come on. You unacceptable. Though a preseason, but
I don't trust.
See, Mr. Kwesia Dam from Paper Nipan and
okay.
I have one.
And yeah, I'm not over Tom because I'm not here, so be Toma. Na say see a TBPI be more peer that many so said you will be no sign a copy on so
redemption day pa
okay mama stories in a video for stories in Nabra my stories
can you kura na nyai
Kontombre
ese Kotoko asapra na nya ha sana wo pa kire
sana dey say
so sikan e kura na nya dey
me ka say be na mbu keke
na wo sikan bi ntimi Kontombre
oh Kontombre dey sikan bia bikram Kontombre.
Okay.
So to me on Saturday. That's the kind. We be trap.
In Africa na be jegu. Ope Africa na ope Africa na ope top 4.
Top 4 win. We top 4 has win.
Ope top 4 win and now ope Africa. Africa da ho ko group stages and it's all about one match Sunday dia na pe nti ja match na wo bon Sunday na chidi na ko bo Africa no because Sunday dia
bc
so dia camera no mo kam no mo me ko ni mana dia na ko okay and now check akra fabra na me medi me nkomo quick one mo nkomo bebre ne na yento aso fio.
Yeah, no, I'm here 2 games in Nina. My mention is free Kotoko game no. On say so far Kotoko a disappointed or more fans no pay 2 games or more bono. Gaka top 4 a tournament where they prepare on for the new season. Then a year of performance ne send the good signal at the crowd say season what prepare very well. But so call top 4 none your man kuya. A year now raise a lot of questions about preparation for the new season. Ohe Kotoko ne Gold Stars first game na Kotoko a performance ne this show omo a lot of individual errors and few opportunities nearby no omo ntimi anhye so na akoye first game no be ahead on the second game so bit ma correct no may improve upon the omo in the first game no but in game no the me hu ni say coach Karim Zito decided say obey a lot of changes no more other players no opportunities some so bit match head on bit my how I Kotoko consider goal no many anje ho because Aziz Dari one goalkeeper when him say or a very good goalkeeper experience or a local league in him oba Kotoko say Mohamed Kamara na first choice goalkeeper so say ote Kamara china unyo opportunity was so to me exhibit the wo mu now prove the reason why I was also so no yetima be first choice by some mistake no ye no baby or yes some mistake no baby e ho no una was a power or authority by upie na untimi mfa onsa embassy vubo no untimi mponche mane nko now you very soft obi enu wo be paden so go na Kotoko concede na a very poor goal from Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. Then again the general performance of Kotoko na enye the best Kotoko performance na me expect performance and come be improve upon baby any Gold Stars then by me hu sa de no. Then again few opportunities na sa buy no Kotoko ntimi ansa utilize and so far 2 games Kotoko ashe 1 goal eye concern kese de Kumasi Asante Kotoko goals no emba opportunity ne bo mu ntimi enhye. So 2 games are Kotoko abonde to be honest with you signal na dia akwa abonte na che se Kotoko we adwuma ye bebre because o pese o league na pese o je no o ma no mo compete no o ma na oni o mu hia wo bre so be show mo no o be kwa Africa so born na Kotoko bon minim say a pre-season game o dey prepare for the new season by signal na Kotoko 2 games of dia akwa abonte no menye impress by in as much as menye impress there are some few players
players ben
do only kind of Shaibu Abubakar. Be honest with you, Obama Lord am a tough competition. Right back. 2 games are aboni in an excellent display. Shaibu. 2 games are Kotoko aboni in so far na the best. Shaibu metekenu so far. Then Nenra Philip Amo Kudus. I was say almost I say no money playing time. Boy no confidence or this year kind of managing the performance no. And Nenra Tenedu nya opportunity shase and me hu Tenedu a fight ase na ni abrese opeso ura starting lineup ni
opeso ye bibi
and nya me wan say coach Karim Zito for say ya say Kotoko for be ko pre-season e will keep coach because stamping for
he say we recover
bibia and then run the performance then Hubert je omususa so these are few players I think say many ajo mu Kotoko games o mabon by Kotoko e was some ye adwumade because 2 games o mabon dey enso ani baby any goal stars na has for game I think enrana make us asem we no obi or sarwe baby any goal stars no among 4 clubs ni nyina no baby any goal stars a condition is better than all the 4 clubs. The abua baby any goal stars ni say during the transfer window almost sign omo players nentem her time omo de fa akonto Fosuchei Berima Ba Francis Twini Isco omo nya omo targets nentem enti omo kwa akra no omo nya players ni na de omo kwa akra pre-season ana before ga cut off for no more pre-season game ba ko 8 yes enti 1 omo targets ne bantem the moment I be a transfer unya o targets no unya omo ntem na de omo ko pre-season na omo timi integrate very well with
the 8 matches before Gaka top 4 no
top 4 and omo omo targets ntem and so what me abom ho nti uche omo condition na very good and baby I was say has of folk need the drama they work on some person will compete per was has of folk pay proper number 2
right back
yes amankwa be fie very good player but also or a winger and he converting a right back and he say coach na say to be honest with you no cry back up on film and amankwa asa or ka players nimpo kra na list no person transfer mo no and so you saw amankwa be right back and every goal be a has of be consider be a foul that's the reason why I told the bia amankwa be fi ho kire ni pe wo say the right center back Calvin or say SCB cover no by Calvin susu problem here say osia striker be a physically or one body obre he Calvin any Mukuela Calvin any Kojo Obin Junior nation against Iduku osia striker be a physically or one body obebre any ha Calvin into also osia striker someone body also train ye di ni bi
someone in ye di oya gentle on
good by the good thing is say football no makacho say was aspect be brave
okay
mental aspect is very important say ye bobo ma show 2 na wa adwin mu no u consider defeat a untimi bobo by say me show 2 na wa adwin mu still na wo gidie say ubetimati a that mental toughness no e translate eba wo game na bebo no so after say how to focus tough for me come you know oma be membu omunya adwin ni say ubetimati and most especially o introduce Hussein Alonso ebe mu no and sa me for sa competition aba say Hussein Alonso nim say Cruz aba onim say Pakubo and where Hussein performance omone homo work up free bench the boy enu abe bench free bench boy and born na Pakubo no udi agre be din so obesha so you know how so folk the NBA may take it time by among the 4 clubs e wo Gaka top 4 no I think team and the condition, the physical state, BB
Ghosts. Well, Kwamedila. Biggie, Braka Krebia, na Memra, na Medim Komo Kakramede Ba, Heba also to Bedim Komo, Mene Kangem for Bedim Komo, and a Dr. Amuzu, Menene Ewon Komo, quick one. Na Yemfa, a booking Kosuno, Emra, a UCC, na Yentwaso, Enfenfrio.
Kotoko problem I mean. Kotoko team ni mu in the 2 matches Asante Kotoko abono me share den hu Kumasi Asante Kotoko pattern of play se Kumasi Asante Kotoko bono kwan say no fa so bo no de kokoshe wo hwe team bi a coach e kire o ma de a hu se coach ne ball no e bia coach ne nkan kire wo but repeatedly how they attack how mo transition balls no e ma hu se coach ne ade we no wa kire team no but Kumasi Asante Kotoko de ne me hwa mi hu Coach Karim Zito has to work on that. Me who ye.
Zito born.
Can me who ye.
Zito born.
Me who ye.
Okay.
From last season, time of Befa Kumasi Asante Kotoko team. Honestly speaking, there were a lot of things and I mean who ye. But now me feel the time now our banner. I was so holding forth and me every season. But after going on pre-season, any training the only team now any day. We have to see that kind of pattern.
Zito answer message a big demand no so pattern no. Also,